Okay, this is quite a good power supply for using as a stir plate. We can take off this grill here and put a magnet on top of the surface of the fan. You can just about see down there. The flask will sit on here, and voila, stir plate. I've removed the power supply from the computer, and now what we'll do is we'll take off the fan guard. And now we'll take off the outer case of the power supply. We want to get in there and change some of the wiring around. This isn't strictly necessary, but it does make it a lot tidier. Yeah, I might need two hands for this. Okay, so now the power supply is taken apart. These are the guts. There's big massive wires out here. Now the only wires we actually need are the power on and power off wires. And the green one just to the right of the middle clasp, and the black one just to the left of that are the only two we need. So I'm just going to cut everything right back and get rid of anything that's unnecessary and connect these two wires together.